creating these videos and making Hawaiian music. Aloha mai kako ukulele fans, and thank you so much for coming back to my channel. It's been, I don't even know how long, probably 3 or 4 years since I've uploaded a video to this channel, and it's long overdue. One of the reasons why that motivated me and inspired me to start making these videos again is 2023 I did a record number of ukulele festivals all across the country, and people would constantly come up to me and genuinely thank me for making these videos at every ukulele festival that I taught at. I really want to thank all of you for who came up to me and shared your stories of how these videos help you grow in the world of ukulele, and it really touched me, and you know, brought us here to make more content. And 2023 was actually a huge year for me. I was nominated for a Nahoku Hanohano Award, which is sort of like the Hawaiian Grammys, and my song Sakura that I wrote with a good friend Tony in Kauai, our video was nominated for Hawaiian Music Video of the Year. We didn't win, but it was a blast to attend. I had so much fun seeing my peers there at the Hawaii Theater. So you know, really honored, and I had such a good time there celebrating Hawaiian music with my peers. So let's get to the good stuff. We are going to hopefully start doing this on the regular. It is the holiday season, so I thought what better way to start creating these videos again than to introduce you to a new Hawaiian music Christmas song. And we actually did another one on this channel called Mele Kalikimaka, and I'll go ahead and link that up here or here. I'm out of practice, so I'm not sure. It's gonna be somewhere here. But we're gonna try a new one this time called Mele Kalikimaka Iā Oe. If you're new to this channel, what we typically do is we cover a book called the He Mele Aloha book. It's filled with hundreds of Hawaiian music, but it does not have any notation, so it's a little difficult if someone's trying to learn these songs. And I'll go ahead and click, I'll put a link to where you can obtain the He Mele Aloha book so you can follow along once we start getting back on track with these videos. And this time we're going to learn a song called Mele Kalikimaka Iā Oe. It's not in the He Mele Aloha book, but that's okay. Half of it is in English. It's a hapa haole song. So I'll go ahead and put the Hawaiian down here. And let's just go ahead and get into it. This is going to be a very simple, it's going to be a very simple strum that we're going to do on this one, and we've done this strum on this channel before. So it's a very simple up and down single strum, just like that. And then we might go ahead and try some fancier ones as we get more confident with this. Okay, so the chords are C, F, and G7. And there's also a C7 in there, thrown in there before we go to the F, okay? So super simple. Let me go ahead and just share the ʻukulele Hawaiʻi, or the Hawaiian language first. It's the first line is Mele Kalikimaka Iā Oe, okay? And then if you're new to Hawaiian language or ʻukulele Hawaiʻi, there is a kahako over the ya, so you just want to elongate that vowel. Wherever the kahako is over. And then also there's something called an okina, and that it looks like an upside down apostrophe. Mele Kalikimaka Iā Oe. Okay, and then we just repeat that. Mele Kalikimaka, and then again Mele Kalikimaka. Okay, this next line is Kani mai nā pele, Kani mai nā pele, Kani mai o au. Mele Kalikimaka Iā Oe. And then we repeat that. Mele Kalikimaka Iā Oe. Okay. The second half of the song is all in English. Merry Merry Christmas to you. Merry Merry Christmas. Merry Merry Christmas. It's basically translating what we just went over in Hawaiian. Christmas bells are ringing all over the world. Merry Merry Christmas to you. Merry Merry Christmas to you. Okay. Mele Kalikimaka Iā Oe, Mele now the English part of it. Merry, Merry Christmas to you. Merry, Merry Christmas. Merry, Merry Christmas. Christmas bells are ringing, ringing all over the world. Merry, Merry Christmas to you. So we made it all the way through. Let's go ahead and just try it one time through a little bit quicker. I'm gonna try actually another strum, which is I call it the classic strum, and I'll just throw that in every once in a while since we're doing it a little bit faster. And this is a point in the video that once you master the song, you can actually forward to this point in the video, and then if you're feeling a little confident, we can go ahead and try it at a faster pace. Okay. Mele Kalikimaka Iā Oe. Mele Kalikimaka. Mele Kalikimaka. Kani mai na pele kani mai hoa o. Mele Kalikimaka Iā Oe. Mele Kalikimaka Iā Oe. Merry, Merry Christmas to you. Merry, Merry Christmas. Merry, Merry Christmas. Christmas bells are ringing, ringing all over the world. Merry, Merry Christmas to you. Merry, Merry Christmas to you. Merry, Merry Christmas to you. All right. Thanks for keeping up, and thank you so much for sticking with the channel. And sorry, once again, it's been so long since I've uploaded new content, but we're gonna try and you know, develop some new habits, and we'll try to go ahead and upload these videos a little bit more consistently. And if you want to stay in touch with me, if you want to keep in touch, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram at Espaniola, and also on Facebook, also on TikTok now, which is a new venture for me. And go ahead, and if you have any questions about this song, go ahead and just comment below on this video, and I'll try my best to answer any questions if you have any, and or just, you know, go ahead and comment below and just say hi, since it's been so long. Once again, thank you so much. It means a lot to me that you're subscribed, and that you're continuing to follow me on this journey. Ahuiho, malama pono, and I'll see you guys on the next one. And Mele Kalikimaka.
Merry, Merry Christmas to you. Merry, Merry Christmas.